Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together from now until forever. Boom, 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 boom. This thing has a built-in microphone, and when it hears external music, it does boom, 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 boom. Viewers, welcome to Beyond Photography. My name is Andrew, and this is the Zhiyun Molus X60 portable handheld LED light, which is RGB. Is it good? Is it useful? Is it worth the money? So very quickly, what is the Zhiyun Molus X60? This is a small LED light that is RGB, which means it can give you multiple color, and the batteries, and all you need to do, that's it. The power button is here, and you can connect different modifier to it. And this is handheld battery power, which means that you can bring this anywhere. Let's go through the spec of the Zhiyun Molus X60. It comes in 3 combinations: standard, combo, pro combo. The standard package comes like this. 3 things. You got the bowl, you got the diffusion dome, and you got the light. No batteries, no case, nothing. That's it. So you can use your power bank to power it. So remember, this is the standard and the base. And then you have the combo package. Combo package comes like this, plus a carry case and 1 battery. And finally, the Pro Combo package, you get an additional battery and this softbox. This is a 60-watt light, and because it has color output, the CRI is 95%, TLCI is 98%. So if you don't understand what CRI and TLCI is, you want to watch this episode where I explain these 2 ratings value. And our favorite good point, bad point of this RGB light. And good point number 1, small. This is how it looks like without the battery, 319 grams. I'll be honest, anything that's small, portable, and I can bring outdoor and gives me multiple color, I love it already. Good point number 2, the package comes with 2 external battery, and let me show you how easy it is. Just go over here. That's it. If you want to remove, that's a button here that you can press. That's it. And you get 2.5 modifiers. Let me explain. The first one is a mini bowl. Align the white dot to the black dot and click. And then the half is you get this translucent diffusion dome, which you can have in this orientation, or you can have it in this orientation. And you get a collapsible mini softbox. Align the white dot, black dot. Once you get this connected with the mini Bowen mount, remove this orange color strap and then just pull these 2 little tabs and then fasten this together. That's your mini softbox. And to collapse this, you see this ring? Turn this. Done. Next good point, there are 3 ways you can power this little baby. The first one is you provide a battery. Number 2, they give you a power brick. Turn to the bottom. There's a rubber door. Open this up. There's a jack. And then connect a power cord to this to your wall plug. And the third way, you can use a power bank connected to this USB-C port. And this is completely useful because if you completely go through all the batteries and don't have the power brick with you, this is one of the most efficient way to power it. This is one of the most well-thought thing that Zhiyun has ever done for any light manufacturer. So the thing is, when you get yourself a light, it comes with a power brick like this, but the annoying thing is there's no smart way to hang this on a light stand. And in your box, you find this Zhiyun little sleeve of a bag. And what's amazing is that it's got this little hole at the bottom, which means that I can now slip this in this way. And then with this hole, I can now connect this power cord here and hang this to my light stand. This goes to the wall. This is really smart, Zhiyun. Next good point, I like anything that's Bowen mount, but bear in mind this is a mini Bowen, which means that it's smaller than your usual Bowen mount. But if you head on to Zhiyun's website, you can actually get a mini Bowens to a regular Bowens adapter. But here's the thing that Yichong feels, that the mini Bowen to the regular Bowen adapter should be included. But guys, how are you going to fit in the bag, right? So I really love this. Look at the foam compartment. So you can have 1 battery going in here. You can have another battery going in here. You can have your X60 going in here. And I can see this little indentation, which is probably the dome. Hey, I want to quickly just dedicate this section of the video to show you what the Molus X60 can do in terms of features. You have the intensity button knob here, and this is where you change the color temperature of the Molus X60. And these are the fantastic 15 effects that you get. Police cars, disco, fireworks, hue flash changing color rapidly, and many more. Let me just quickly show you the wireless app. After pairing, you can choose Molus X60, go in there, change the color temperature with this slider here, the brightness. And what's amazing is all this is instantaneous. And over here, I can change the color HSI method. This color wheel is awesomely helpful. I can also do a color picker. As you can see, it picks out the color, but don't expect too much because one is subtractive color and one is additive color. And here's what we do when we review product. We really brought Molus X60 out for an actual shoot for this factory. It's a really huge factory. It's a 2-day shoot. So I really find the Molus X60 helpful in situations when I was shooting in tight corners. And what I like about X60 is that I can quickly snug it into a tight corner without the need to worry about where to plug into the wall because it's completely portable. And I would say that it's really bright for me to be able to use for work. And here's the first bad point. Officially, it says that this battery can power the Molus X60 for 50 minutes on full power, which is 100% intensity. We tried, we couldn't get it anywhere close to 50. The most we could get was just like 35 minutes. And that's a big difference. And in actual shoot like this, 30 minutes is just not sufficient because we need to do light tests and really do the shoot itself, perhaps even 2 takes. Bad point number 2, how I wish that the mount is not a mini Bowens or could have given us in the package the mini Bowen to the regular Bowen extension. That would be lovely. Then we can use all our Bowens in the studio. So I'll be fair here. The Molus X60 is a small light. It uses small modifiers. Okay, this is kind of funny, right? If we try to attach this to this. Go get a big light if you want to use this modifier, isn't it? And there's one thing that I hope Zhiyun improves on. You got a quick start guide, very well illustrated and very useful. I discovered this when I was trying to connect the Bluetooth of the phone or the Vega app to the light, and I noticed that this website is all in Chinese, no English, so we kind of like have to figure it out on our own how to connect the Vega app to the Bluetooth. So if all this is in English, it will be wonderful. And finally, how many stars would I give the Zhiyun Molus X60? I would seriously give it a 5-star. Reason, because I've always loved to have portable light which is really small, and this is bright and small. So Tashin, how many stars would you give the Molus?
4.
Okay, 4. Why not 5?
Because it doesn't last longer.
Okay, the battery could have lasted longer. Agree. But I know what you mean. It's a portable light. It's supposed to be portable. And if this is an hour or 15 minutes, I would love this. Right. Vim, what do you like about this light?
It's compact, small.
Small, right? Everybody loves this because it's small. So if you're interested to get the Molus X60, check the link to purchase it online. And head on to the comment section and tell us what you like about this light or what you'd like to find out about this light. Andrew signing out. See you in the next review. You know what? This is so cool. I can choose one color. Luke, I am your father. 7 color. Luke, I am your father. And you get 2 modifiers. The first one is a bowl. Oh man. This is really